Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna to show you how to create keep silence symbol in Microsoft Word document. So firstly, insert symbol, more symbols and font. So select from this list webdings and type character code 151 and click on insert, exit, make it in center. Now insert shape, select this not allowed and draw your shape here. Now stretch this yellow dot change the shape fill and type here keep silence. Like this. Also guys, you can create image for this keep silence symbol. So press shift windows key plus S. Now have this screenshot. If you see cursor line here, so make some space and again try to have this screenshot. Now you can insert your document anywhere. So insert picture and on this device and insert this picture. Now you can increase or decrease the size. Right click on it, wrap text and select in front of text so you can keep anywhere in your document. So thanks for watching guys. Comment on this video useful for you.